Guys, I'm cooking today and I'm doing curry chicken and rice with vegetables. I'm putting olive oil in the pot and I'm pouring some olive oil. And these are all my ingredients. I already prepped my stuff, so these are all my ingredients. This is the chicken, that's the seasoning, that's onions, sweet pepper, carrots, Irish potato, that's curry, all-purpose chicken season, and another all-purpose that I normally use. This is the chicken seasoning, and I'm gonna do some cabbage and mixed vegetables. Okay, but that's what I'm doing now. So in some garlic, garlic, in some curry in the pot. Guys, I'm gonna put in the chicken now. The chicken was already seasoned because, as I said, I prepped my stuff before. But I'm gonna put some more curry and some more curry powder on it. Put a little bit, just a little bit more. Just a little teaspoon more. Chicken seasoning. Another teaspoon of all-purpose. And my favorite vegetable seasoning. As I said to you guys, I already prepped my seasoning and stuff like that, my ingredients, all my seasoning. So I'm gonna put it in a few minutes. pour a little bit of water, just a little bit. Cover it for a few. Cover it for a few minutes, then I put my seasoning in. Guys, I'm gonna put my seasoning in. Gonna put my seasoning in now. As I said to you, I prepped it before, so I'm gonna put in my onions, red onions, white onion, thyme, sweet pepper, garlic, and enough fuel. I'm gonna put in my carrots and my Irish potato. Get a bit of water from the kettle. A bit of hot water from the kettle, okay? I'm pouring it. Okay, that's it, guys. Let it cook. I'm going to do the rice now. So I'm doing like 3 cups of rice, and then I'm gonna wash it. 1 cup, 2, 3 cups. Oh, let I do 4. Let I do 4. Okay, 4 cups of rice. So I'm gonna wash it now, okay? I'm going to wash it now. Washing the rice, guys. Guys, that's the rice. I washed it now, so I'm gonna put in some sea salt. A tablespoon. See, sea salt, guys, sea salt. I'm using sea salt. And I'm using the Jamaican butter. Okay, I love it. That's it. I put the butter in. it a little stir. And that's it. Guys, please like and subscribe. Thank you for your support, and I will let you see the finished product. Okay, thank you. Guys, we're gonna do some vegetable now. So I'm washing the cabbage. I'm gonna cut up the cabbage and do it with some mixed vegetables, okay? So this is the cabbage. Yeah, that's the cabbage. So I'm gonna cut it up now. Cut up the cabbage and do it with some I wash the rice and then turn the stove on. Can you imagine? Oh my God. So that's the cabbage, guys. Cutting up the cabbage, okay? And I'm gonna mix it with some mixed vegetables, okay? A little bit of olive oil in it. Okay, that is it. Put in a little bit of my vegetable seasoning. And that's it. Ready to cook. Guys, this is the finishing product. This is the mixed vegetables and cabbage. That's the rice. And that's the curry chicken. Okay, so I'm going to dish up some dinner now. And let you see the presentation, okay? Alright guys, please like and subscribe. And thank you for your support. Guys, this is my finishing product. This is my curry chicken and white rice with vegetables. Oh, we're gonna tuck in now, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, please, and thanks.